The Electro Harmonics Bass Mono Synth. What have I got here? Let's see if this works with a Fender Rhodes. So the pedal's plugged in. That's how the Rhodes sounds with the pedal off. So let's turn it on. So I've got it set up so that dry signal's turned off, the sim's turned to a volume that's reasonable. Sensitivity's right up, control, no idea what that does. And then we've turned it to laser. Whoa. That is quite a different noise. Like there's no MIDI, it's just picking up the signal straight away. Let's play the control. What is that? We'll click bypass. That is bizarre. Absolutely bizarre. But we have a lot more different synths, so let's have a quick fly through them. Next one's called X-Fade. So I missed the track in there. Whoa. That's not bad. And then acid. Let's see what acid sounds like. Okay, we could have guessed that. And then, as it says bass, let's see how far down the keyboard it goes. It seems to work on the bass side. I'll give it that because it is a bass. Let's go cosmic. That is bizarre. And then sub. It's missing a bit of the notes there, but definitely fun. Ooh, what's that one called? Growl. It's pretty fun. The next one's called Whoop. Unison. And then twin. And then Spectre. So that's got some detuning in, and then finally, Oblivion. So that seems similar to some of the others, but there is some actually usable noises there. Alright, so let's just play with putting the dry signal in. So that's the Electro Harmonics Bass Mono Synth, and that is really quite an interesting bit of kit. I hope you enjoyed it.